Ready to inject some serious financial realism into your Roblox game and let players build their virtual fortunes? Today, we're diving deep into creating a robust progressive banking system in Roblox, transforming idle players into savvy virtual tycoons. First, let's break down the core components. We'll begin with account creation, ensuring every player has a secure digital wallet to start their financial journey. This involves designing a user-friendly interface where players can easily open new accounts, perhaps even choosing different account types with varying benefits. Think about the essential details: a unique account number, a player's username, and perhaps a PIN for an added layer of security. This is where your UI design truly shines, making it intuitive and visually appealing. Next, we tackle transactions. Lifeblood of any banking system. Players will need to deposit their hard-earned in-game currency into their accounts and withdraw it when needed. We'll focus on creating smooth, responsive interactions for these actions, ensuring immediate feedback for the player. Now, for the progressive element: interest. To make your economy dynamic, accounts should generate passive income over time. We'll design a system that calculates and applies interest rates, rewarding players for keeping their virtual wealth in the bank. You can even explore tiered interest rates based on account balances or loyalty. Finally, it's all about presentation: a clear and informative user interface for viewing balances, transaction histories, and earned interest is paramount for player engagement. Imagine a personal banking dashboard within your game, giving players complete control and visibility over their finances. By meticulously developing each of these stages, you'll build a progressive banking system that not only adds depth and realism but also fosters a truly engaging virtual economy where players can strategize, save, and watch their digital fortunes grow. Let's start building those booming virtual economies.